So in this Jiggerz, I want to show you some of the panel beating jiggers I've been using. So here's my collection. A lot of these are new ones that I got from my dad's mate, which have been fantastic. These are really good for getting into really tight places. I use this one a lot as well. These new ones are fantastic, really heavy, so great for flattening all sorts of stuff. These are called slapping spoons. It's actually just a file that's been bent, and these are great because when you hit the edge of a panel, you can see the low and the high spots because it leaves a mark on the panel from the serrations, so you can always see where the low and high spots are. Really useful. Really useful for bending panels as well. These different shape ones are great for getting in, especially on the Mini, into these areas like here. This has been probably my most used piece because it's exactly the right contour for getting inside the panel and getting that nice and curved, which has been great. This is also a very useful one as well for bending some of my repair pieces, and the flat top for getting things nice and straight. This has been a new one that you can put up also inside there to get a nice contour. These can be great. I've used this one for getting in here and getting this edge straight. Nice little one. This is file, believe it or not, it's called a flat bastard. Really, that's what they're called, flat bastard. You'll get over it. This is really great for shaping, so you can put this in a vise and then mallet and the metal down and form a shape like that, which is great. So really useful tools. You can pick these up from second-hand markets often, but I was lucky enough to get these in one shot, which is fantastic. So there's some of the panel beating tools that I've been using.